Hi, I'm Brennan Wagner here for Crazy Color. This is Mikey Ferrer, Crazy Color Ambassador. In this episode, we are talking about using neutral. I know this is the most inconspicuous of the Crazy Color bottles, but it's one of the most important.
Neutral is a powerful tool with many uses. Once you grasp the idea of how to use it, you will fall in love with neutral. Neutral has all the same ingredients of the rest of Crazy Color, but with no pigment. So all of the great conditioning benefits are there, but it's clear.
Neutral is entirely composed of a rainbow shield, a combination of oils and UV protection. By itself, it's a great way to seal in any color that you're providing a client. Apply liberally onto any colored hair at the shampoo bowl and let process for at least 10 minutes. You'll provide anti-fade protection to your client and their hair will be hydrated and shiny.
But neutral has an important use with all of the other Crazy Colors. Use it to reduce the pigment load to create softer shades or even pastelize your tone. It is meant to be mixed with any other shade to diffuse the color and sheer it out. By creating a pastel in this manner, the pigment load is still heavier than our toner shades, so there's more durability over time.
The easiest way to use neutral is to pour 30 grams of neutral into your color bowl, then drop by drop add your vivid tone, till you get your desired result. Weigh your final amount and that will be your formula so you can create consistent results. I suggest making notes and recording your favorite formulas.
Neutral will show out your pigment weight, and pigment weight is what contributes to opacity. What this means is that it will disperse the number of color molecules you're delivering into the hair. Think of it as a tool to turn an opaque latex paint into a sheer watercolor. You'll be able to turn virtually any tone into a pastel.
Here's a big thing to remember though. Any yellow-based color will stay bright, but become more translucent. Neutral doesn't affect it as much, but any blue-based color, which will start off as opaque, it will definitely look lighter, but not brighter. It'll lose depth, but not tone.
Some of my favorite formulas with the neutral is to use deep reds. Many times I've used cyclamen, burgundy, or bordeaux mixed with neutrals to create variations of pink. Or experiment with the difference between sapphire or sky blue mixed with neutral. As you sheer out the original shade, you can really see the underlying tone.
We hope this was an informative episode and we really want you to have fun with neutral. We promise it'll become one of your favorite tools as a colorist. Subscribe to our channel to keep up to date on all the latest information.